Hello everyone, you're on HMJ Study channel. Here we'll see class 8th mathematics chapter 3 indices and cube root and its practice set 3.2. In the prior videos we have seen practice set 3.1 and the important or introductory part for chapter 3. Okay, so let's start with 3.2. Here in the practice set you are given with a table and the question is complete the following table. See what is the table? The numbers are given and you have to write the power of the root and root of the power. What is power of the root and root of the power? Let's understand this. Here a number is given with some power. So in this we'll study this power. Okay, 4 upon 5. In this upper number means numerator, or you can say 4 is nothing but power, and the lower number you can say denominator will be called as root. So if I want to read it, how will I read? If I want to read the power first, I will read 4th power of 5th root of this number 25. Okay, so if I want to read the power first, I'll read this number first, 4th power of 5th root of 25. And if I want to read the root first, what will I read? I will read it as 5th root of 4th power of 25. Okay, so let's start with this. Just have a look on the first question solved. 225 raised to 3 upon 2. Here the power should be read first. So power is 3. And 3 will be read as cube only. If it is given as 3, it will be cube. And if it is given as 2, it will be square. Okay. So here power have to read first and the power is 3. 3 will be read as cube. So cube of down is 2. So cube of root, square root. 2 is nothing but square. Therefore cube of square of 225, this number. And here root has to read first. Root means this 2 and 2 is written as square. Square root of cube of 225. Okay, so now the second question. Second is what? 45. 45 raised to 4 upon 5. Here power first. Power means upper number 4. So you can write 4th power of which root down? 5th, right? So 5th root of this number 45. Okay, in the same way root has to read first. Root is nothing but 5. So I will write 5th root. 5th root of which power? 5th root of 4th power. 4th power of 45, this number. Okay, now we'll go for third question. 81 is the base given and the power given 6 upon 7. In this 6 upon 7, this fraction, 6 is nothing but power and 7 is nothing but root. So we'll write the power first. What is the power? 6. So we can write 6th power. 6th power of what is the root? 7. Okay, so 7th root of what is the number? 81. In the same way root first. Root means denominator's number, that is 7. So 7th root of sixth power of 81. So 81. Okay, go for fourth one. 100 raised to 4 upon 10. In 4 upon 10, 4 is nothing but power and 10 is nothing but root. So power first. Power is what? Fourth. So fourth power of, what is the root? 10. So 10th root of 100. In the same way, root first. So 10th root of fourth power of 100. This is 100. Okay. In the same way, you can do this fifth one. So 21 raised to 3 upon 7. 3, we don't read it as 3. We read it as cube. So power first, it means cube will come first. What will we write it here? Or we can say third power. Okay. So third power of 7th root of 21. Okay. So you can write this here. I repeat. Third power of 7th root of 21, and vice versa here. 7th power of third root of 21. So in this way you can solve this first question of practice set 3.2. Now we'll move towards the second question. It has made easy for you. Write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. Square root of fifth power of 121. See, I have written the questions here, so we can solve it easily. Square root, here the root is given first of fifth power of 121. I'll write 121 first, and 121, I'll put a bracket for it. Now, square root means the denominator's number and square means 2. And fifth power, so 5 will come up. It has become 121 raised to 5 upon 2. Okay. Move forward for the second question. 324 is the main number, so I'll write 324 first. 324 raised to, I'll see the power first. Or see what is given. It is cube, okay. Cube of fourth root. So root means denominator's number. So cube will come up. Cube means 3 upon fourth root means 4 will come down. Okay. Now the third one. Fifth root of square of 264. What will I do? I'll write 264 first and bracket. Here the root, fifth root, it means 5 will come down. Okay. And square will come up. Square means 2 upon fifth root. Okay. Now fourth one. Cube of cube root of 3. Cube means 3. Cube root means 3. So I'll write the main number first, that is 3, and cube of cube root. So cube will come up and cube root will come down. 3 raised to 3 upon 3. So this will be the way to solve question number 2. Okay, that's it about practice at 3.2.